Alright, if you just landed on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your Dyson that is blinking red and keeps overheating, and they tell you to clean the filter, and that's as far as they tell you what to do, and it still keeps doing it. So you're overheating. First thing you could do is remove this. This is a filter. I'll try to make this video as quick as I could for you guys. This is the filter. It's just magnetic. All you do is slide it back and it removes. It's actually that way on it. So you remove it this way. It splits in two. You can see the mesh screen here. Make sure that you look up at a light on it to make sure you can see through the filter. So you're actually getting it out. There that goes. And then over here, same thing. You got another filter. You're going to clean that off. So when you want to get deeper, look what I'm dealing with over here, guys. I got a bunch of hair tied up around the motor and it keeps acting crazy. Dyson, all they tell you is you got a bad motor is what they're saying, but you don't have a bad motor. You just got it. It's all clogged. I don't know how the heck the hair got in there, but it did. So what you're going to do, there's 4 screws here. You could buy one of these screwdrivers either on Amazon or eBay. It's a little star tool. And I got the screws on here. There's 4 screws you're going to have to remove. And this is not hard, guys. It's so simple. So you got 2 screws. This one comes after. So the 2 screws, there's one here. And you flip it over. And there's one on the opposite side. Once you unscrew those, you just slide this back. So you don't try to like break it or anything like that. You slide it back and it slides off. And then you got this cover right here, which also has 2 screws on it. You can see where the 2 little holes that are on the opposite side right there. And when you get that off, you're going to have to cut that little rubber thing where it splits. And then you're able to get into the motor. And that's it, guys. You're in here. You're going to remove all these hairs. Check this out. That's what's making the motor go crazy. So this is going to fix your Dyson. All I ask is hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. And wrap it up back together. Make sure you get every single hair out of here. Use the tweezers or whatnot. This is not a hard job for anybody. Star tool. You could pick these up probably at like a Home Depot or something. If you take this thing in with you and say, I need to unscrew that screw. They got little kits like that. So, all right, that's it, guys. Quick video on how to fix your Dyson hair styler. I just saved you $500. I'm not going to beg you to subscribe, but hit the like button and go fix that hair dryer. And let me know how yours turned out. Leave a comment.